Okay, everybody, we've launched Google Earth and now we are at the home screen of Google Earth, and I want to just show you a few of its different functions so that you know how to use this. We are going to start on the left side. You see a menu of different icons over here. The top one is just the menu of settings. I don't think you'll really need to go into there. So if you accidentally click those three lines, you can just click the arrow back. Next, we have the magnifying glass, which is very important. That's where you can click to search for a particular place, a particular address. Under that, we have this Voyager wheel. If I click on that, it takes me to some different journeys just around the world where I can learn more about specific places. Underneath that, I have this dice, and if I click it, all it's going to do is take me to a random place around the world that I can learn a little bit about, which is pretty neat. Every time I click the dice, it will take me someplace different. Underneath that, I have a bookmark where I can add places if I'd like to, and then this share icon where I can share a link for a specific place that I find. Okay, if I go and I get back to my original site, then on the right side, on the bottom right, I have some other really important icons. So this plus and minus obviously is zoom in and out. So if I want a closer look, I can press the plus button. If I want to go back out, I can do that. This compass helps me reset my view. If I no longer have north up, I can click it and put north back up at the top. This 3D button is super cool. So let's say I want to go to U Street. You might recognize this place. Okay, put in the address. It's going to spin my globe and zoom me into 2900 U Street. So there we are right now. Super cool. So if I want to get a 3D view, right now I'm in a 2D view, it's just flat. If I want to click a 3D view, then I can do that and it will give me that added dimension. In addition, now when I'm in 3D view, if I want to hold down the shift button and click with my mouse, watch what will happen. I can actually then rotate my map to get a different view. So let's go ahead and zoom in again, and now I'm going to press shift and my mouse. And now I get that really cool 3D view. Look, I can even see the mural on the front of the school. Whoops. If that accidentally happens, you don't want sticky keys on. Okay, let's see what else do we have here. This little person, I can drag and drop him to get the street view. So I actually go down through the trees right to the street level. Isn't that cool? Now you might notice that the trees and everything looks kind of different. It's a little cartoony. If you get really close up, you notice that more. So, and let's see. This one lets me fly over my location and get that higher up bird's eye, maybe even a little higher than a bird's eye view. Okay, this globe lets me see exactly where I am. I can click to zoom to space or double click or drag to fly to a place. So it's kind of how that works. Another zoom out. I clicked over there, so it's going to zoom me into where I clicked. And that's the basics of Google Earth.